You can create a group for anything: your family reunion, your after-work sports team, or your book club. When you join a group, posts from that group will start appearing in your news feed as well. As you can see, Facebook makes it easy for people to not only stay connected with their loved ones, but also stay up to date with things and issues that interest them, which can include a business. When businesses use Facebook, instead of a profile, they can create a Facebook page. It's where people can connect with the business to learn more about its products or services. Similarly to a profile, when you set up a page on Facebook, you can add information about your business. You can add a cover photo and profile picture that best represents your business. You can also provide contact information like your website, your address, your phone number, and business hours. Just as you can post updates on your profile, businesses can also share posts on their page. People come to business pages looking to learn more about the business and its products, hear about latest news and promotions. So it's important for businesses to post on a regular basis. Many businesses build a presence on Facebook to tell their business's story. There are a variety of visual formats available to help you with that. Here are 3 different types of posts you can create on a business page: story posts, video posts, and photo posts. These different post types help to capture attention and prompt action. Let's take a look at how Stationery Company Inc. Meets Paper uses their page to communicate with their customers. They've chosen a profile picture that represents their business and an appealing cover photo that features one of their products. This is an example of a video they shared that demonstrates how their products can be used, specifically their brush pens. In this case, they keep their customers updated on the latest status and their store opening hours through a photo and a status update. They also kept people informed of their store hours during COVID-19 on their page, which shows up as an update. And they set up a Facebook shop which allows them to sell their products directly on their page. There are many other free tools businesses can use on Facebook to achieve their unique business goals like events, groups, and jobs. More than 140 million businesses use Facebook products every month to find new customers, hire employees, or engage with their communities.